I'm Nadia Singh and the co-owner of Bespokery. We started Bespokery last year in August during lockdown, and we're just about a year old. The reason we started this restaurant is food and wine is really in my blood in a way. I'm a foodie and I enjoy the experiences around food, and this is just an extension of my dream. Our concept is very much about high quality produce, and which means that there's really minimal intervention in terms of sauces and basting. So what we really want to do is showcase the ingredients. In order to do so, we need to do it on cook quickly and efficiently. And why we love gas is because we can get the right amount of heat quick. It's just convenience. Convenience from ease of mind that your gas is on tap and it's available all the time, but also that the pressure is always being tested so that, you know, if there are problems, we are alerted sooner rather than later. Egoli gas is always in the area, so we are reassured that the pipelines are also well maintained. So from our side, there is a good level of comfort in terms of the service we're getting. What we have noticed is, based on the gigajoules we're using from Egoli gas, in comparison, had we been able to switch over 100% from electric to gas, we would actually make better commercial sense for us. Unfortunately, it would require a refit, but it's definitely something to consider in the future. So basically, why we are able to operate during load shedding is that we've got a gas-fired generator, and that allows us to pretty much operate at 80% capacity, where others are forced to close down. And for a small business like mine, that is essential. If we had lockdowns plus load shedding, we probably wouldn't even survive. So having that alternative energy source has really helped us through the tougher times.